Look at my wheels. Come on, he didn't even touch, he barely touched this one. Look. You can still see streak marks. Look, you can see the streak marks. Come on, man. Look at the back. Look at the back of the truck. Look at that, man. Look at the wheels. He barely even touched my wheels. So y'all, look. I take my truck to the car wash to get it done. I'm not even gonna call the car wash out because that's just, you know, I'm not even gonna do it. But I spent, you know, a couple of dollars getting this done. So in my eyes, if you pay for a service, you're supposed to get that service. But instead of me, you know, with the rah-rah and doing all of that, I'm just gonna not go back there anymore and start doing it myself. But how do you spend 30 minutes on my truck? About 30 minutes on my truck. I promise you, 30 minutes on my truck, and it looks like this still. Look at my wheels. Come on, he didn't even touch, he barely touched this one. Look. You can still see streak marks. Look, you can see the streak marks. Come on, man. Look at the back. Look at the back of the truck. Look at that, man. Look at the wheels. He barely even touched my wheels. Look, dirt down here. Come on, man. Look, he did one wheel well. One, you know what I mean, not wheel well, but you know, look at that. Then look at that one. Then the next one, and the next one. Like, come on, man. Look at the mirror. And they spent 30 minutes on it. Look at the back of the mirror. If you gotta do something right, do it yourself. So I mean, they kind of somewhat cleaned it, so I have some little products that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use when we get this back right. So give me 1 second. So this is what we're gonna be using today, y'all. It's the Griots Best in Show Detailer. And you know, since they already washed the car somewhat, then we'll just go over this, spray it, and wipe it down. And I actually used this before, and it has amazing results. So if you're interested in this, I will leave a link below. I am not sponsored by them or anything, but if you want to help the channel out, then here go the merch right here. You see it, The Life of J Nice. I know it's kind of hard to, you know, The Life of J Nice, but look, man, it's a link in the description below. Go down there and click that link and get you a shirt. There's some hoodies on there as well, man. And yeah, man, I appreciate all the support I'm getting. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe, and even share it if you don't mind. I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting. I rock with y'all because y'all rock with me. But back to the video. Starting off, what you want to do? A couple of squirts. Get your towel. Go ahead and wipe it down. Look at that. And don't mind my big forehead and my receding hairline. Yeah, I'm getting old. Go ahead and crack your jokes. Make sure you leave them in the comment section now. And that way I can respond back. But yeah, man, see how better it looks already? And we didn't even do much. We just sprayed a little bit of the show detailer on there.
Do you need some more on there so you can get this put off?
Yeah, I'm about to grab some.
Alright. So you just spray it on the car and at the washcloth?
Yeah, you can spray it on either one, but I like to spray it directly onto the wheel. And then wipe it right on off like that. You feel me?
That looked like the easiest thing that I've ever seen in my life.
I mean, sometimes you gotta add a little pressure to get all the dirt off.
Oh.
But other than that, it's really not that hard to do to clean wheels. But then again, you keep the wheels clean on the truck, so when you do get a car wash, it's easier to go in here and knock all of this out, you know? Y'all see the after? How much better it looks now? Still gotta knock out the grill real quick, but it's super hot and humid out here today. Hit that windshield. Look at those wheels, man. Like I said before, man, instead of going there and going all crazy and acting all, you know, rah-rah and all of that, I just won't go back and get my, go back there and get my car done anymore. I'll take my business elsewhere from now on or do it myself. But, yeah, man, I hope y'all like it as much as I do. Here's the final outcome of it. Remember the before. If you don't, go back a little bit and look at everything then and look at everything now.